Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing Drag Specialties Saddlebag Buffalo bars on my 2022 Road Glide Special. So let's quickly take a look at the bars and something else that I have purchased to make the install much simpler. Alright guys, so here are the Drag Specialty bars. Now, the bars that you actually get are the chrome bars themselves. What you don't get from Drag Specialties are the support bars that go underneath the bags, which is what you see here, the black ones, right? What you have to do, according to the install, is actually you have to cut the stock bars and, well, you measure where these ends are, right? And you have to cut them, right around this point, and reuse the stock bars. I did not want to go that route. I did not want to cut the stock support braces just in case if I wanted to, put it back to stock or whatever. So what I did is I purchased a really cheap set of saddlebag bars off of eBay, and obviously decided not to use the skinnier support braces, and I went with Drag Specialties, which is 1 1/4 inch, which would match the front engine guards. Okay, it'll look substantially better. It's a lot beefier. Yeah, so I didn't, like I said, I did not want to cut my stock bag braces, and that's the only piece that, well, this and obviously the bushings and the bracket I'm going to use to install these bars. All right, so let's go ahead and get to install. All right, so first thing that we need to do is remove the bags. Next, I have to remove the seat and this cover. All right, now that the saddlebags and the seat is removed and the side covers, what we have to do is we have to remove this bolt here, get rid of this block. We're not going to use it anymore. And remove the stock brace. So there's a bolt here, there's a couple of bolts that's holding the brace here, and the 2 bolts for the exhaust. Alright guys, quick note on this bolt that goes into this hole right here. The way they positioned it is this bolt actually goes in this way, and then you have your nut here. So it's easy to remove the nut. It's not super easy to remove this bolt. Why? Because this trim piece is blocking it. So basically what I did, if you look closely, if you're able to see it, there's 3 bolts. There's one here, here, and at the top. So basically I just loosened all 3. I removed the bottom one. Gives me a little wiggle room here to get it out, just enough space to get that bolt out. All right, so let's keep going. Alright guys, so the bar is on. Go ahead and finger tighten everything so you can get everything properly aligned. There's the top bolt, the bottom bolt, the brace connecting bolt, and then these 2 here. That one is a little bit of a pain in the ass because it basically holds these 2 pieces together So you kind of have to squeeze them in order to get this bolt in. This one is not too bad, like I said, as long as you give yourself enough flex room for this trim piece to get the bolt in. And then once everything's aligned and properly in place, go ahead and get everything tightened up. Tiny problem that I ran into, very easily fixable. You can't reinstall this side panel without removing this bolt. So you have to remove the bolt. That gives an extra couple of millimeters of space here to get the panel back in, and then you put the bolt back in, tighten back up, and everything is fine. Alright guys, the right side is done. The fit is really well. There's plenty of gap between the bag and the brace. The brace does come out just so slightly past the bag, so it'll, in case of a drop, it'll definitely protect the bag. So let's go ahead and do the left side. Alright guys, so that was the install of Drag Specialties Buffalo Saddlebag bars. As you may have seen from the video, hopefully it was clear enough, the fit and finish on them is really good. Definitely worth the price. They match nicely to the front engine guards. They do feel substantially heftier than the stock Harley bars that I was thinking of getting, or the cheaper version off of eBay that I got. To me personally, it's all about protecting the investment, and the cost on them was definitely worth it. The install is fairly straightforward. As I mentioned a couple of points during the video, just follow that and you should be good to go. So that will do it for today, but do stay tuned for more accessories install on my Road Glide special. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.